Let's take a look at divisibility rules and how to tell if a number is divisible by another number. We got a couple of pretty big numbers lined up here and ready to go. Is 439,635 divisible by 2? Well, the only place we have to look here is at the last digit. If the last digit is even, then it's a yes. 5 is not even, so that's a no. And this is the kind of logic you want to use going through here. Is it divisible by 3? Well, let's see. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. So I'm going to add up the digits, not the places, not the place values at all, just the digits. So 4 and 3 and 9. And I get a grand total of 30. Oh, well, 30 is divisible by 3. That tells me the whole number is divisible by 3. So 3 is a yes. Is it divisible by 4? Well, in order to be divisible by 4, a number has to be even, and it's not. So I don't have to think much more than that. If it's not even, 4 is not going to work either. Is it divisible by 5? Again, I'm looking at just the last digit. If the last digit is 5 or 0, then it's a yes. Otherwise, it's a no. That's a 5. So that's a yes on 5. The rule for 6, a number is divisible by 6 if it's divisible by both 2 and 3. Well, it is divisible by 3, but it failed the test for 2, so 6 doesn't work. And notice we haven't actually divided anything at all. We're just checking. 8, again, in order to be divisible by 8, my number has to be even. It's not, so 8 won't work. 9 is the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Well, the sum of the digits, we already did that up here for 3 and got 30, which is not divisible by 9. If 30 isn't, then the whole number isn't. Divisible by 10 means the number ends in 0. It doesn't, so not 10. The only ones we have here are 3 and 5 that worked. Look at the other number over here, 812,664. Divisible by 2, last digit, even. Okay, we're in. Divisible by 3, I'm going to add up the digits. And get 27. Oh, 27 is divisible by 3, so the whole number is divisible by 3. Divisible by 4. Well, this time it's even at least, so that's helpful, but that's not enough. The last 2 digits have to be divisible by 4. $64. 4 does divide into 64. 4 times 16 is 64. So that works. Divisible by 5 ends in 5 or 0. Divisible by 6 if we pass the test for both 2 and 3, which we did. $8. Now I'm looking at the last 3 digits, so I might have to do a little bit of actual work here. 664 divided by 8. I know 8 times 8 is 64. And 8 does divide evenly into 24. Oh, well, that works. And that's a lot faster than dividing the entire number by 8. So it's worth that little bit of time that it took to do that. If you had a 3-digit number, it's not. But since this is a large number. For 9, I'm looking again at the sum of the digits. The sum of the digits was 27. And 9 does divide evenly into 27. So that's a yes for 9. For 10, my number has to end in 0. It doesn't. So 10 does not work. So we got 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 9. All divide evenly into 812,664.